Gardening in drought-prone areas can be challenging. The relentless sun and lack of rain can make it seem impossible to grow anything. Water restrictions and dry conditions make it tough to grow thriving vegetables. The soil becomes hard and cracked, and plants struggle to survive. But don't despair. With some smart techniques, you can have a productive garden and conserve water. Drip irrigation, mulching, and choosing drought-resistant plants can make a huge difference. This guide will introduce you to water-saving methods that are easy to implement, even for beginners. From setting up a drip irrigation system to using rain barrels, these techniques are simple yet effective. Let's unlock the secrets to a bountiful garden, even in the driest of times. With the right approach, you can enjoy a lush, productive garden and a successful harvest, no matter how dry the climate. Drip irrigation is a water-saving superstar. It's an efficient way to ensure your plants get the moisture they need without wasting precious water resources. Unlike traditional sprinklers, which can lose a lot of water to evaporation and runoff, drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, where it's needed most. This targeted approach minimizes evaporation and prevents water waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your garden. Setting up a drip irrigation system is simpler than you might think. You'll need a hose, a pressure regulator, and some basic tools. The drip tubing with emitters should be spaced according to your plant's needs, ensuring each plant gets the right amount of water. With a little effort, you can create a highly efficient watering system that saves water and keeps your garden thriving. Mulch is like a protective blanket for your soil, keeping it safe. It helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature effectively. Organic mulches like wood chips or straw also improve soil structure as they decompose over time. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your plants for best results, leaving a small gap around the stems to prevent rot and ensure healthy growth. Choosing the right plant's drought-resistant vegetables. In this section, we will explore the best vegetables to grow in areas with limited water supply. Selecting the right vegetables can make a big difference in your water usage. By choosing drought-resistant varieties, you can ensure a bountiful harvest even in dry conditions. Drought-resistant vegetables have adapted to thrive in arid conditions. These plants require less water and are more resilient to heat and dry spells. Some great options include tomatoes, peppers, beans, and zucchinis. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but also quite hardy in dry climates. Peppers can withstand high temperatures and still produce a good yield. Beans are versatile and can grow well even with minimal water. Zucchini plants are known for their ability to thrive in dry soil and still produce abundantly. When starting your garden, choose varieties specifically bred for drought tolerance. Look for seed packets labeled as drought tolerant to ensure you are selecting the best options. Starting seeds early indoors can also give your plants a head start. This allows them to establish strong roots before being transplanted into the garden, increasing their chances of survival in dry conditions. Extra tips for water-smart gardeners. Collect rainwater in barrels to use for watering your plants. Water your garden during the cooler hours of the day to reduce evaporation and save water. Group plants with similar water needs together for efficient watering. By implementing these water-saving techniques, you can enjoy a thriving vegetable garden while conserving our precious water resources. Happy gardening!